Today my new recipe, egg bread pizza. Quick recipe for breakfast. I have cut the edges of bread and applying tomato sauce. Spread egg yolk curry. Top of the bread spread cheese slice. Then add boiled eggs. Then add tomato slices. Now it is ready to bake. Preheat air fryer 170 degree for 5 minutes. Then put the bread slices on the air fryer basket. In the same temperature, bake for 10 minutes. Now it is done. Then transfer to a serving plate. On the top of the bread pizza, apply tomato sauce. It is optional. Now it is ready to serve. Thanks for watching my cooking videos.